What's the meaning of comprise? Comprise. Comprise.
Comprise. Comprise. Comprise means to consist of or be made up of. It is used to describe a whole that is composed of smaller parts or elements. For example, a company may comprise several different departments, or a book may comprise multiple chapters. When something is said to comprise other things, it means that those other things are all included in the whole. In other words, the whole is made up of all its individual parts. It's important to note that comprise is not interchangeable with compose. While comprise describes a whole made up of parts, compose describes the act of putting parts together to form a whole.